welcome to another video. This is again one of my future classics, my Mk3 Golf GTi that I have spent the last 4 years doing an engine swap on. It's finally complete, so I've done a couple of 100 miles in it and it is nuts. The idea of building this car was because a friend of mine and I did a track day at Lydden Hill racetrack. Not a long racetrack, only one proper straight, and even that wasn't very long. And we were by a long shot the slowest car there. I'm surprised they even let us continue. So, you know, I like the car. I've always had a fondness for Mk3 Golfs. I don't know why. Everyone seems to prefer Mark 1s, Mark 2s, always more popular. But say, I just like the Mk3. I didn't want to get rid of it. I thought, okay, we've got a few options here. We can do something to the existing engine. We can turbo, we can supercharge. Neither of those really a good option, as the engine leaked every fluid. And I mean, you know, oil, coolant, the gearbox even leaked. It was leaking everywhere. So it would have taken quite a lot of effort and time and money to put into that. This car only cost me £220. 5 years ago, I think, 5-6 years ago. So it didn't owe me a lot. So I took the decision to buy a Mark 4 Golf. It was what, I think it was about £200 to £250 as a non-runner on eBay. And then it sat outside the garage for years. Just every few months I might get an incentive to play with the wiring or you know, do something. But eventually we got there. She is now running. Engine, actually I haven't told you, the engine is, as I say, Mark 4 Golf. It is a 1.8 turbo, 20 valve. All standard, apart from the ECU. The ECU was given to me by a friend, thank you Alec. I'm not sure on the horsepower. I'm told it's over 200, which is a good amount. It does feel quicker than the Jag. But that just may be because it's front wheel drive, small, and not covered in leather and luxury. So I think that's it really. There's nothing really much else to say about the car and the engine, so I think next thing is to switch you all to head cam and go for a quick drive. As you can probably hear, there are some whooshy turbo noises. I won't go for full chat yet because cars are too close in front. The rev counter's a bit comical, you know, doing 7,000 RPM right now apparently. So we're in 4th gear and I'm not going to get a good run here, but I will put my foot down. And it just pulls. It just pulls. It really is quite good fun. I'm probably going to try and put a couple of 1,000 miles on it before we go and do a track day, just purely for confidence. I think that would probably be quite wise. Let's go back round since there's no traffic. Let's go back round and pull through the gears a bit. It's good fun. It's good fun. I think the exhaust could do with a bit of, I don't know, maybe a change, maybe a different back box or a stainless system or something, just to tweak the exhaust note. Suspension's still a bit soft. It is on lowering springs, but standard shocks. So we'll probably look at doing some coilovers. Let's just turn her around again and do one more quick run down the road since the gates are down. I do quite like the fact that it does seem to like to spin up tyres in pretty much, well, I've had it spinning in 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. on a dry road. I am running at the moment on 195 45 16 Avons. I think I will probably go to, I've got another set of wheels. When I fit them, I'll probably go to 215 40 16 just to have the wider tread. I think hopefully that will, if we do go on a track, I think these tyres will be absolutely useless. You can hear the exhaust rubbing on the floor again. I did adjust that before I left. So yeah, in terms of the car itself, it is pretty much a standard Golf Mk3 GTi, nothing special about it. Originally a 2 litre 8 valve with I think 114 horsepower. I don't think the one I had, I don't think this one was ever that when during my ownership. It definitely felt sub 3 figures, but that's gone, that's in the bin. I do like this car, I really do like this car. I think plans for the future, the original idea was for it to become a track car, just a road legal track car. So, you know, cage, only the 2 seats, you know, bucket seats, you know, full 5-point harness. Not sure, I think I'd still like to do that. Then that fact we've now got a pet human kind of changes things, does make things a little bit different. But I have got enough cars to still be able to justify it if funds allow. So yeah, I think that's probably still where I'd like to go going forwards. And yeah, we'll tow behind the camper van, do some track days, and just have some fun. Like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. If you do, give it a good thumbs up, and I will see you next time.